Alright, y'all, if you guys are looking for a way to brighten up your TV or backlighting or anything like that, today I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to do that with this BTF Ambient lighting kit. Basically, you see my TV going right here. We're watching this video. It's like a light test type of deal, but it's kind of like boring, right? So let's go ahead and turn these bad boys on, and this is what you get. I mean, you guys see it's a huge difference. So if you're looking to do something like this on your TV, go ahead and check out the video. I'll walk you through it. Check out BTF lighting, and that's it. Let's get started with the video. Alright, y'all, so welcome back. Today we're actually going to be working on the inside of the house. BTF Lighting reached out to me and they were like, hey, you want to check out this backlight? And this is going back like a month or so ago. And I was like, it's not really up my alley. You know what I mean? Like, I'm working on all the outdoor projects and stuff like that right now. But then I was like, you know what? I started looking into it. I'm like, so you're telling me that this thing is smart and it works on its own, and it could read the colors off the inside of your TV and project them on the wall. So I'm extremely interested to see if that actually works. So I was like, you know what? Let's test these things out. From what I understand, it's just like a smart setup. It's supposed to be fully automated. So this little box down here is going to read the colors on the screen, I guess. I don't know how it works, but we're going to figure it out as we go through this video. So these are they're LED strips, right? So it's 150 pixels that we're going to put on the back of the TV. They're voice controlled, so it's got a built-in microphone. Installation should be super simple, maybe 10 minutes. You don't have to solder anything together. It's just plug and play, basically. So that's going to be real easy for us. So we're going to see. Let's just go ahead and open the box, and we'll go from there, right? And so let's check it out. Once again, shout out to BTF Lighting, right? So this right here is the main hub, I guess, right? So this is where we're gonna put our HDMI cables in and supply power to that and check that out, right? So then we have a power supply, and this is, where is it? So this is a 5-volt 6-amp power supply. So that's cool. We could always use that, right? Packaging. We got some corners so we can attach our LEDs. Double-sided tape for the corners. HDMI cable. We have 2 sets of LED lights and a power cord. All right, so let's go ahead and check these out. All right, so it's got a decent amount of wire to run first. Yeah, that's pretty long. Well, we're gonna keep going. Okay, now here's the strips, right? So these are 150 LEDs, right? So these are super close together. It looks like you can cut them between each one right here. So if you cut it right between the copper, that's the cut line. So that's it for the unboxing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and set these up on the TV and see what it looks like, right? See how easy it is and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna film that in fast motion, whatever you guys want to call it, right? So it's gonna be super speed. And then we'll come back and we'll put something on the TV and see if it actually reads the colors. But that's it. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so now that we got this all hooked up and ready to go, I'm running this test on it. You can see it's super bright. The colors are matching. This thing is definitely pretty cool. We've been playing with it, watching different videos and whatnot, just checking it out, seeing how it reacts to the colors. You know, we watched a couple movies and it's kind of cool, but when you actually do something like this, I mean, this really brings it out. It's basically app controlled, right? So you got to use your app to turn it on and off, and you can put it on TV or you can put it to music. It's got a built-in microphone, so you can party and have the music playing and it'll just beat all different colors and stuff like that, right? So that option is pretty cool. The only thing I would say about this, I really wish it had a remote control to turn it on and off so I didn't have to use my phone all the time. I always tell you guys, my phone's always dead, right? So, you know, I could sit here watching TV and I just want to turn the lights off. I have to go on my phone and turn it off. So that's the only thing I would like to see, is a remote to turn it on and off, or a button to turn it on and off. That would be awesome. But definitely let me know what you guys think about this. I'm definitely super impressed with this. Thanks again to BTF. Obviously, every product they have so far is high quality, works as it should, and everything looks great, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up today. As always, you know, I hope everybody's staying safe. I thank everybody for keep coming back and watching the videos. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you can. I greatly appreciate it. And that's it. Everybody stay safe. Hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.